everyone, in this video I'm showing you exactly how I'm converting sweeps coins to cash on Chumba Casino. If you're curious about how to cash out your winnings or you just want to see it in action, then you're in the right place. My favorite game for converting sweeps coins to cash on Chumba Casino is Halloween Fortune. So let's get started. I recently received a drop from them, so I have $109.51 in sweeps coins to play with. Halloween Fortune has always converted well for me, so I always go to this game whenever I get drops from Chumba Casino, and I always play the spin size 20 cents in sweeps coins. Okay, there we go. Yeah, if you do the plus, it'll go up. See, it's now at $1, and so I go down to the least amount, which is 20 cents per spin, 20 cents in sweeps coins per spin. So I am going to do a little calculation first to see how many spins I need to do to get through my 109.51 in sweeps coins. So it's 109.51 divided by 0.20 equals 547.55. So 547 spins. And we can do auto play, so I'll start with 100 spins and we'll just let it go. Yay! I'm going to stop recording now, and I'll be back when I have just a few more spins left. Otherwise this video would be very long. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm near the end here. I started at 109.51. I still have a total of, so I'm converting so far over 100%, so I have a total of 110.21 in sweeps coins now. And redeemable is 107.50, so I have $2.71 in sweeps coins to play. So 271 divided by 0.20, so 13 more spins. So let's see what happens with the last 13 spins. So I'll do 10. Okay, so I should have 3 more spins left. 20, 40, 60, yes, 3 more spins. So I'll do that manually. There's 1. All right, so let's see here. 11 cents left in sweeps coins, but it's a minimum of 20 cents per spin, so I'm not going to play that. So I have 109.25, and I started with what I think it was 109.51, so it's pretty much 100% conversion here. So now I can redeem it, and so I just click on redeem here. I believe with Chumba Casino you need at least $100 to redeem to be able to transfer it to your bank account. So, and if you want a gift card, I think all you need is a minimum of 50, but I have over 100, so I'm going to do the cash prize, do the whole thing. 109.25, continue, and redeem. Okay. That usually just takes a couple of business days, so it should show up in my bank account. That was a really great session, converting sweeps coins to cash on Chumba Casino. Like I said, Halloween Fortune has always been really good to me. If you want to know how to get these sweeps coins, you can write letters requesting sweeps coins. I have all the links in my description for everything you need to know about how to write to casinos requesting sweeps coins. So remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.